Valens Research, Uniform Financial Analytics.
Constellation Brands is best known for, right? They have a portfolio of wine and hard alcohol and also beer ever since they acquired the the U.S. Distribution rights for the Modelo brands like Corona, Pacific, Modelo, etc. They have basically a monopoly on that in the United States. Because of how strong this business has been, right? Because of, I should say, how strong and resilient the alcohol business is, right? You would expect that they would have high returns, and they do have high returns. But the interesting thing that we're focusing on here is actually down here, these blue and orange bars for PE. When you look at Constellation, you would expect, hey, this company, considering it is a very stable business, considering what's going on in terms of people's demand for alcohol, even in a recession, considering how resilient its brands are, et cetera, we'd expect it to be trading at a premium in the market. But on an as-reported basis, this company is trading at a 21 times multiple. It's just trading at market average PEs. And so you look at this and you'd say, okay, you know what? This is actually potentially an interesting idea because the market underappreciates the resiliency of this company's business model. But it's only when we look at the true blue PEs for Constellation Brands that we see something very different come out. We see this company actually isn't trading at market average valuations. The market is already paying a premium for this company's operations because the market is expecting that it will be resilient since it is trading at a 30 times multiple, right? Knowing that there's going to be, call it limited growth without acquisitions for the company, basically what the market's already pricing in is that this company is going to be a stable business and returns are already going to recover from where they had been historically. The market, you wouldn't realize this if you were looking at the as reported PEs, but looking at the uniform PEs, we can see the market is seeing through this distortion and is already pricing things to recover. So it's less of a compelling story than we thought it was because of the fact that we're looking at the real numbers, and the real numbers are telling us what the market is really pricing in, as opposed to misunderstanding and thinking that we should be pouring in Constellation Brands because it's a potential value here.
Valens Research, the world's leading source for uniform financial analytics.